Hello everyone, today's video we are going to look for how we can invest in UAE stock market. Okay, so if you're willing to invest in UAE stock market, wherever if you are looking in different part of the world, right, different part of the country in the world. So if you want to invest in UAE stock market, what you need to do, what are the documents required, how you can approach for the brokers, these all the details we are going to look in this video. This will be helpful for all the person those who are willing to invest in UAE stock market. Okay, so these are the major points we are going to look over here. Let's see. Who can open trading account? Okay, so minor as well as major, both a person can open trading account. Okay, so for the broker of international securities, for minor account through the online we cannot open. Okay, so we need to approach for the branch, we have to open for the minor account. But for the major account, okay, those who completed 18, you can open account through online itself, it's possible. So all the person, it means what, all the person they can open for trading account. So minor in a sense, you need to visit for the branch, especially for international securities. But some other brokers they might have having for online account also. Okay, so if you are approaching for other brokers, you can check it over there through the online, it's available or not. So while I'm recording right now, this facility is not available for international securities. So for minor, those who not completed for 18 years old, they need to approach for a branch. Okay, straight away along with the parents, you can open the account and you can invest on it. And other people you can open through the online itself. And for the second, what document is required? So the document which is required over here, if you're a resident in UAE, okay, you're living in UAE, or else you are a national in UAE, or else you are a resident in UAE. Okay, as of now you're available here. So such kind of candidate available here, or else for resident, or else for national. These 3% I am telling right now. Okay, so these 3%, what you need to do, you should have for Emirates ID. Okay, and for the resident, okay, but you belong to other country, you are working here, okay, working profession, or you are a housewife, but your country will be in another country, in a sense you should keep it for passport also. So major thing will be you should have a bank account. Okay, and the bank statement is required, Emirates ID is required, and passport is required. These 3 documents is required for these people. And some of them will ask, I am belongs to some other country, I am living in other country also. Say for example, the Indians are living in India. Okay, so those people also can open for the account. I already told you, in the world wherever you're living, you can open account over here, you can trade for UAE stock exchange. But if you're not living in UAE, you're staying in your own country. One example I am giving for Indians. Okay, for Indians living in India, and you need to produce for your bank account detail. Instead of Emirates ID, you need to produce for Aadhaar. Okay, any national ID card will be there, no, that one you need to produce, as well as for the passport. So these are all the copies is required. Nothing is required for anything original. Okay, everything should be required for the copies only, along with the income source. Okay, all the person, this is required for. And the 4th document is income source is necessary for all the person, even if you're in UAE, or else you're living in other country. So these are the 4 major documents required. Okay, and some of them will ask, I am going to open for my child. Okay, so how I can produce for the bank account, and what's the name, these, that, and all. Okay, so below 18, in a sense, those people did not have any income source, right? So you're going along with your child in the branch, you're going to open it. above 18. Okay, in some other country also you are opening, in a sense you need to produce for your father's income. Anyhow they will transfer to your account, right now we can open all the banks for minor account also. So each and every individual holding for the account, suppose they are not having any income source for the minors, okay, and those who are studying for colleges after completing 18, suppose some of the students they will study for the colleges and all, but they did not have any income source. So such kind of candidate, what you need to do it, in a sense your father sending money to you, right, in your account. So from there should be a transaction is entered. So these kind of 3-month document, 3-month bank statement, you need to produce it. This is what the income source, like that you have to show them in order to open for the account those who are in above 18. Okay, and it is applicable for housewife also. Okay, the women, they are not going for work but they are having a money, they need to open for an account, they need to trade for UAE. In a sense, what you need to do, you have an account and you are having bank balance, you need to show that yeah, it's my husband, the source of income is my husband and he is transferring my account, this is what. Okay, so that statement will speaks, right, those 3-month statement, that's necessary. And suppose if your father also sending, suppose unmarried women will be there, in a sense your father will send or someone will send, there should be a transaction should be applicable, some in and out, the money in and out, because source of income should be required from here, it's very necessary. But in India it's not required, you can open easily, but from here there should be a certain rules and regulation, those things you need to follow up. So I think the people can understand what is a document is required for minor as well as major, and those who did not have income source, what's a document you need to produce on it. Okay, this is applicable all over the world. Whoever is looking for this video, if you are trying to invest in UAE stock market, this is what the steps. Okay, and for the next one, which nationality can open an account? All nationality, this is not predicted this nationality, that national, nothing like that. Okay, all over the world, at any part of the country you are looking this video, you can open an account from this UAE UAE broker. Okay, and you can trade for UAE stock exchanges. Minimum amount requirement. Okay, what's the minimum amount requirement? In a sense, from this broker I am telling, international securities broker, it's required for minimum AED 500 dirham is required to open for broker's account. With the help of this 500 you can trade it. Okay, even for ADX as well as for DXP also, this is what the minimum amount requirement whoever can open. So next, other major informations. Okay, so you will say I have all the document. Okay, I have a money also, what I need to do it. So this case, what you have to do it, in a sense you need to approach for the brokers. That's the first thing. Okay, in order to approach for a broker, how I can approach, in a sense, I already posted this video. Okay, top stock brokers in UAE, from there it is available, how to select stock broker. Okay, and broker fee for DFM as well as ADX, how much it will be, and how we can calculate for trading fee if you are buying for a stock. Okay, and how to buy a stock, how to sell a stock, everything I posted over there. How to claim for a dividend, everything I posted over there for the video. But how you can choose for a broker, this video you can look on it. Okay, so based on that, based on this video, you can go there and you can choose it. Okay, because I have chosen for international securities, so that related video I already posted. Suppose if you are choosing for some other broker, in a sense, that broker you can approach it, all other details and all same only. Okay, so by that way you can approach, and from there you can get it for NIN number. Okay, and if you're trading for margin account, in a sense, you need to get it for margin also. With the help of margin account, you can trade for derivatives market. Okay, for the future market is available in UAE, not available for the option market. So you can get it for both the things, and NIN also you can get it over there, and through which you can trade for DFM as well as for ADX also. Okay, so broker selection, next step you need to do it for broker selection. And after selecting the broker, these all document you have to submit, and within maximum within a week you will get it for account should be ready. Okay, so online application account should be ready, depends upon the broker, and from there you can do for trading. And apart from that, you need to download these two apps. Okay, so what are the two apps in a sense? Okay, just you can go to your Play Store, you can type it ADX, and from there it's available for ADX Investor app. Okay, this is related to ADX related market information, news, and all the detail. Okay, what are the top stock, and every day how ADX will be performed, those all information will be available over here. As a same thing for Shami. Yes, this app also helpful. These two related to ADX. Okay, so some people they will request for NIN through Shami, okay, and DFM application they will do it, but you don't get request in a separate way. In a broker, if you are selecting, in a sense, from there one option will be available, already you are having NIN or not. From there you can give it as no, and automatically you will get it for NIN, for ADX as well as DFM in one place itself. But these two apps will be helpful for market insights related to ADX, and if you invested for ADX listed stock for providing dividend, in a sense, you can request with the help of this app to the dividend. Okay, in India, normally if you are buying a stock, in a sense, dividend stock, automatically respective amount credited in your account, but from UAE not like that. You need to request separate for the respective exchange application. So these two applications is very helpful to you, so you can keep download on it once brokers will be finished. Next application you need to download and keep it for DFM. Okay, this will be helpful whatever activities happen in Dubai financial market, as well as if you want to request for dividend, in a sense, this is helpful to you. I already posted one video regarding this, how you can request for dividend through DFM. Okay, so this application is necessary for the investors. That's the other part. Okay, and these are all the major things. Once set up all those things, then you can start to invest. If it is 500 or more than 500, start and invest, and you can earn for the profit. And from here, 5% of tax is applicable. Apart from that, for your income, you are not going to pay any tax while compare with India. Okay, so it is very good. As well as from here, option market is not available, future market is available. Those who have full knowledge about future, you can gain it more. Okay, so I think this information is helpful to you. Okay, if there is any query, you can leave a comment below, I will help you out. Okay, and if you are a first time user, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.